Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You're ready to begin. Sign into the correct Google account and make sure the Photos app is updated. Once done, grant storage and Photos permissions so Google Photos can read folders. Next, open the app and tap your profile icon at top right to jump straight into settings. This gets you to backup options without extra steps. Make sure mobile data settings won't block uploads by accident so the backup can start as soon as you add folders. You're now adding the actual folders. Tap Backup and Sync and confirm the main toggle is on. This turns on cloud backups for the account. Then select Backup Device folders and toggle each folder you want included, screenshots, downloads, or custom camera folders. Make sure to choose Wi-Fi only if you prefer to save mobile data. Otherwise, allow mobile uploads. These steps ensure only the folders you pick are uploaded, which keeps storage. To finish, verify each folder shows a backup status or timestamp. Once verified, you can force a manual backup from the three-dot menu if you need files uploaded immediately. Make sure Google account storage isn't full. If it is, free space or buy more. If uploads stall, sign out and back in, clear the app cache, and confirm storage permissions still granted. That single permission problem is the most common blocker, and fixing it usually restores backups quickly.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.